Good morning, Constable Alan Rosen, Harris County Constable Precinct 1. And this morning we came to this residence to execute a court-approved search warrant. And upon entering the house and starting to begin our search, we were here for a child pornography search warrant. And going through the house, one of our officers saw a suspicious device that had a wick with it, and we immediately decided to exit the house as an abundance of caution to ensure that this wasn't a bomb device or anything that could harm anybody, our officers, or the house. And we got out of the house and immediately called Bomb Squad to let them know what we had. The Bomb Squad did show up and did go into the house and retrieve a device that did have a wick to it. We don't, we're not bomb people. We don't know, all the different nuances of bombs, but we had the Bomb Squad actually take the device out of the house. We are really thankful for our partners at the Sheriff's Office, at ATF, the Houston Fire Department, Houston Police Department that assisted us in this matter. We go into these houses all the time. We don't know what we're going into. We don't know what we're gonna face. The person that does occupy the residence immediately came on a camera. There were cameras in the house, and told us to get out of the house. So when you have a situation where somebody that's occupying the house has situational awareness of our moving throughout the house and what looked like a bomb device, it kind of gave us a lot of trepidation. So we opted to get out of the house as quickly as we could and call the experts in to assist us with this matter. They did find the device. They did take the device. Charges may be brought once they determine what it is, and it could be a federal charge or it could be a local charge, but this is what we face every day. We now have to go into the house and actually conduct the work that we were initially here for, which is for a child pornography search warrant.
And can you talk about that case?
Yeah, we have a proactive team, the Houston Internet Crimes Against Children team that we're very active in, and we actually had evidence which enabled us to go get a search warrant from a judge to go to this house because of the evidence that we had thus far, that's why we were here, is this court-approved search warrant this morning. And we encounter these things. You never know what you're going to encounter when you're going into somebody's home. But in this particular case, it was something that, we're not experts in. So we called the experts in.
The suspect is not in custody yet?
We have 2 people detained, and we're it's a fluid investigation at the moment, and we're going to continue to question them. And then, of course, we have to go into the house now that it's been cleared and go in and actually do a search of what we were there for. So, it's kind of 2 different investigations now going on. We have one for this, what looked like a bomb device, and then the second one is for our primary purpose, which was there to execute a search warrant for child pornography.
So the people you have detained, are they detained for the child porn stuff, or are they detained for the bomb device?
At the moment, they're just detained overall. We don't know yet who was doing the downloading of child pornography, but that's part of the investigation. So we don't know. We did have one of the suspects tell us that he is the one who made the device. So we'll focus on him and let ATF and the Sheriff's Office, Bomb Squad, actually decide to file charges for that device. They have taken the device away and whatever they do with it to go find out exactly what it is and determine if it does warrant charges being filed. Additional charges in addition to the child pornography stuff.
The 2 people detained are adults?
Yes, they're both adults, yes.
Mm-hmm. So the ATF took the devices wherever they take them to
Yes.
do whatever analysis they do?
Yes.
Is it like a pipe bomb? Is that what you guys are thinking?
It looked like a pipe bomb. It had a wick to it, like you would start with a firework. It was wrapped with foil around it and electrical tape. And it was probably that long. There were some screws around it, which people usually put into bombs to harm people. So again, we're not experts on bombs. So we just took the proper precaution to get out of the house, quarantine off the area, get everybody out of the house, and then call in our partners who are experts in this matter.
And it was like PVC. It was like a PVC, like a white PVC.
I don't know. It was taped, so we don't know what the underlying material was because it was taped with black electrical tape.
And did the gentleman you had detained, did he say like, I made this for Halloween, or did he say anything like?
No, and I certainly wouldn't want to disclose anything that's relative to the case because I don't want to harm the case at all. But one of them did essentially tell us that yes, that was his, and he made it.
And are the two people you have detained, which I guess is sort of related to the possible bomb situation, are they also targets in the child porn investigation?
Anybody in the house is a target.
Were there other people in the house?
There were two people in the house, but everybody that goes to that house, that lives in that house, is going to be a target of ours because we have to determine who actually was downloading child pornography.
Do you know how many people regularly?
I don't.
Normally live in the house?
I don't.
So basically, there were two people in the house when you were executing a search warrant, and you detained both.
Yes. Yeah. And we're talking to them and investigating and interrogating them. So, it's a very fluid situation. We're going back in now that the house is cleared so that we can get our evidence needed to do our case, our portion of the case.
So how much longer will be on the scene?
Well, we'll be out for a little while. I don't know how much longer, but until we get our job done, absolutely.
Is there any firearms or any other weapons?
There's a lot of stuff in this house, so I don't want to say what's in the house or what's not in the house. The most important thing that gave us a little trepidation was what looked like a bomb device, and so from that perspective, until we cleared the house of that one item, we didn't start looking around or searching or doing anything else. That's what we're doing now. Yeah. Anybody else?
Y'all can call me later if I have an update on that.
You're not releasing names right now. You might later.
Yeah.
Know what happened.
Yeah, absolutely.
They haven't been charged.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. I do want to say one more time the professionalism of the Sheriff's Office Bomb Squad and ATF and our partners at HFD and Houston PD. This just is a great showing of collaboration among law enforcement. We all work really well together and we support each other, and I just want to thank them publicly for the work that they did out here to assist us. Yeah. All right, thank you guys, appreciate it.